Hello friends, welcome to Excelytics. Today we are going to see another example on what we should not do in Excel. So let us begin. Here we have data of Indian census 2011 and we want to do a small analysis on this data. So let us try to insert a pivot table on this data. So I will select any cell in this table and go to insert then pivot table. So click OK here, and this is a message which tells you that to create a pivot table report, you must use data that is organized as a list with labeled columns. So it is telling you that one of the column does not have heading. So let us check the data. If you go to the right side and in O4 we don't have heading. Add the heading here. This column is for density. So once you add the heading, then we'll try to insert pivot table and I will click OK. So now the pivot table is available. So in this way, a perfect data set for pivot table should have headers, and also we should ensure that there are no merged cells in the data. So we hope this tip will help you in your day-to-day work. Thanks for watching this video. This is created by Team Excelytics. Join Excelytics to excel in analytics.